Just a heads up, I want to tell you this video does not have any intro or outro, and it has a minimal amount of talking in it, so it's really just the raw footage of the event that we had on Sunday. It was a blast, and we hope you enjoy the video. If you don't know what this event is for, it's basically where kids could come and learn about RC cars and then drive them for the rest of the day while we fix them and charge up the batteries, and yeah. By the way, thank you so much to TRAXXAS for sending us 6 two-wheel drive brush splashes. Everyone had so much fun with them, and we hope to do it again sometime. Alright guys, we are at our own event here with all the kiddos. You may not think this is nice, but I have a overpowered slash, whereas they have two-wheel drive brushed nickel metal hydride slashes on training mode. So it's very slow, whereas me here, I have some speed. I'm talking about how I can sabotage. This is my friend Josh. What's up? He's new to RC. He's gonna get a Haas soon.
Oh, yep.
Look it, I'm already here. I can just stop and wait. Yeah. Oh, we're in a tight race. Watch this. You ready? This is maniacal, but I'm gonna do it. Jonas, I'm doing it on purpose.
Oh, you did it?
Yeah, I'm putting it over there. Yeah. Cool. So watch this. I go to free this kid, and then watch. You ready? He just goes right back to where he was. Did you lose your steering? Trying to get here or there? Oh, demo derby. Hold up, hold up. Now, tell us in the comments, is it hard to spot my car? I don't know why. Yeah. Didn't really work. Wait, this car's. Ah! You ready? 3. Are you kidding? 3, 2, 1, go! I mean, how many years of experience do you have? I have 8. Did he just tell me to watch it? I mean, yeah, I rammed into him, but he's the one that stopped in the middle of the track. We're going to the skate park.
Yep. Oh, skate park all the time. You gonna drive to the other side?
Okay. That was beautiful. Whoa! I don't even know what I just did. Nope, we're still good. Why is that so smooth, Dave? It's so nice. That was beautiful. Oh! And how am I broken? That's right. Not at all. Yeah. Wait. Yeah, let's just see.
Where is the servo?
Oh, it just disconnected right there. So you guys see this? It's disconnected on here, but I don't see anything broken, so that's a plus. All right, so off camera, this happened. It did not even break. We sent it up there, all the way up there, down many times. Didn't break except for this one time. And it's not really broken. It's just that this screw right here came out. So we need to put that back in. It is cracked,
yeah.
But you know, in an emergency, you could still use it. That was...
Ain't no way, that's crazy.
Ah, you broke it. Why not the camera, dude? This is kind of where the video stops, but we hope you enjoyed it. Thanks for coming, and we hope we'll see you next week. Your Best on Outdoors signing right out. Bye for now.